Friends, happy Friday. I'm here coming fresh from cutting some flowers, y'all. Inviting you to our show that's going to be happening in just 19 minutes inside my app. And friends, we have so much beautifulness. Look at all these flowers to share with you today. Plus, we have some cool flowers. Unbelievable, right? And we're continuing the cool flower celebration this month. You know, this is the 10th year anniversary of Cool Flowers, and we're just doing special stuff each weekend. And this weekend, it's going to be 20% off of the entire category of Cool Season Hardy Annuals inside the app only until Sunday at 8 a.m. So you want to come, show up. Today I'm talking direct seeding and giving my tips for that, which there's about a handful or so of Cool Flowers that I prefer to direct sow in the garden for the best success. I mean, we're talking like bells of Ireland and Chinese forget-me-nots and all kinds of wonderful good stuff, right? And, you know, the party is continuing on with Cool Flowers, and now is the time to actually be planning, prepping, seed starting, whether you're fall planting or very early spring planting. This is the time, y'all. The biggest, highest demand cut flower season of the year is spring, and now is the time to act. So join me today, 12 noon, inside the phone app. If you don't have our phone app, just go to your phone's app store, search Gardener's Workshop. It's free, y'all. Download it and join me, because when you're in the app watching, you can enter for the giveaway. I'm giving away a $25 store credit this week, as well as you can participate in the live conversation that's going on in the comments with other viewers, all kinds of fun stuff. So join me 12 noon Eastern time today, Friday, every Friday at 12 noon, for the live shopping show, and I'm highlighting all of this harvest over here. So I will see you. Grab your lunch, get a beverage, and I'll see you on the inside, friends. Ciao.